Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to import your grades onto School from Google Classroom. So the first thing we need to do actually is to make sure we return the assignments back to the students. So when we're grading, I just finished grading the last one. I gave the student the grade. And it's as if you were grading on paper. You write 10 out of 10 on the paper, the test, or whatnot. From there, you need to make sure you return the grade so the students see your feedback and see their score. And to do that, there's two ways to do that. We click here, and we're just going to do return multiple submissions. And then it'll give you an option to return them all. You can also go back to the specific assignment on Google Classroom, click here, and return. I'll just do it this way since I'm here. And so once we return the work, we're going to now go to our school loop, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on the assignment. This one was, what is your podcast topic? And I'm going to click import here. You're going to see this option, import from Google. Unfortunately, it doesn't work even if you are connected to Google. I tried it a couple weeks ago and it wasn't working, and I contacted Schooloop about it, and they said that there was a bug and they're trying to fix it. So when I press on it, nothing actually happens. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to want to go back to the assignment on Google Classroom. We're going to click on the settings, and we're going to download these grades as CSV. It's going to go ahead and download it, and then what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and go back to our school loop. We're going to import it as a CSV. So we're going to click here, and I'm just going to open this file. What is a podcast? This is the file that downloaded, the CSV file. It's going to give you errors depending on different things, but don't worry, just click OK. Here I'm going to make sure I add the comments. I don't think I added specific private comments, but if I did, they would be here. These are the grades. And one thing for me is I'm ensure students have to click turn in, and that's something I don't know if a lot of teachers do that, but if students don't press turn in and they actually turn in their assignments, I do not grade it. Even if they're done with it, I make sure they're gonna have it pressing turn in, because in high schools that's just gonna be how it is, and if they don't get used to that in middle school, they're gonna struggle a bit in high school ensuring they're organized and turning their assignments in. So that being said, we imported it. I'm just gonna autofill I for incomplete. I set that up to just count as a 0, but students know that just means they didn't turn it in. And I just save and exit, and I am all done. Okay, so that's how we import grades from Google Classroom onto Schooloop.